Welcome back. Today, I will show how to upload an asset creation in Roblox Studio. Click on Asset Creation and then Pin Messages. Download the two files artifact as pinned. If you did that, then go to Roblox Studio and just click Baseplate. Now click Import 3D and click the file. If this pops up, click Import. Now right-click on the file and click Insert from File. Now you need to ungroup these by right-clicking on the model and then click on Group. Just follow what I do. You don't have to do this, but I should delete the gray things now cause you don't need them. If you deleted everything on accident, don't worry, click this. Now, just group is at a model and place it on the base plate. Here you are. Now you can make your own booth or create in Protector. If you have some questions, just ask in the comments. See y'all later.